What's happening, everybody? Here's a life hack for you that I just came up with. You know, with some of these work boots that don't have the little slit in the tongue right there, and you know, you'll wear them for several hours and eventually the tongue just keeps sliding over and over no matter how tight you have the boots. Alright, so unlace, the boots down to about here, pull the tongue out and just cut you a couple of slits in it, with a box cutter or whatever. Then you can send a couple of laces through it. Tongue stays put. That was really bothering me. Problem solved. You'd think they'd come that way already, but apparently not. There you go. Check out our channel. We'll have a lot more life hacks, shop hacks, yard hacks, whatever. We'll see y'all later.